Welcome to this tutorial on how to add and configure food items on the ERP system. Proper food item configuration helps ensure accurate order management, organized inventory tracking, and a smoother food ordering process within the platform. In this session, you will learn how to create, configure, and manage food items efficiently. Let's get started. Scroll down and click on Game Zone or search for Game Zone using the search bar. Click Game Zone to open the gaming area where various game-related options are available. Click Foods to navigate to the food management area where you can add new items. Click the Create icon to start creating a new food item in the system. Start by creating a food name to enter the name of the food item. On the Food Type dropdown, select the category of food that best describes the food item for proper classification. Use the Price field to set the cost of the food item. Next, specify the item's availability status to indicate whether it is available for ordering, and then provide a short description to give additional details about the food item. Use the Zone field to assign the food item to the appropriate game zone where the item will most likely be available or served. Once all the required food item details have been entered, click the Create button to save the new food item and add it to the available food item list within the system. And that's a wrap on adding and configuring food items on the ERP system. You've just learned how to create and manage food items to support accurate order processing and efficient food management within the platform. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.